Well, hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. I hope y'all are having a great day and a great summer and staying cool this summer. Guys, this is going to be an update video or a continuation video of my Sunjo electric pressure washer, specifically the quick connect disconnects that I have put on the hose to make connecting my pressure lance, the pressure gun, you know, and as well as the foam cannon, but that already comes with a quick connect, you know, as well as the actual hose itself on, or the high pressure hose for the pressure washer. Now, and there's the quick connect right there for the high pressure hose. Now, I have a video, or I put out a video a little while ago, earlier this summer, on installing these quick connect disconnects for the pressure washer. And you guys really enjoyed that video. I got a lot of comments, a lot of love on that video. And some of the comments were asking me about not the high pressure hose, but the actual garden hose that hooks up to the pressure washer. And right now, I just have attached to my pressure washer, again, this is my Sunjo pressure washer here, I just have this threaded connection that came with the pressure washer that I use to hook up the garden hose to, you know. And, you know, as I guess infrequently as I use the pressure washer, you know, that works well for me. But a lot of you guys and girls have asked about quick connects for the garden hose portion of this setup. So I wanted to make this quick video for you guys to show you I actually picked up this set of quick connect disconnects for my garden hose. Now there's nothing really special about these. These are 3/4 inch quick connect, quick couplings, quick disconnects, whatever you want to call them, from Twinkle Star. And I actually also have a Twinkle Star product here as a quick disconnect on my pressure washer gun. And that works really well. So I have been using these quick connects on my garden hose for maybe the past week or two. I wanted to test them out before I made this video and suggest you guys get these or any other quick connect disconnects. Now, I will say in the 2 weeks that I have been using these quick connect disconnects on my garden hose, I have had pretty good success. They have not leaked on me. They have held up, you know, for 2 weeks anyways. And so I just wanted to bring you guys in, since a lot of you are asking about quick connects, disconnects for the garden hose. I wanted to show you what I picked up, what I bought. And don't worry, I will have a link to this package of quick connect disconnects for your garden hose down in the description below if you guys are interested. All right, so real quickly, let's go through what came in the package that I bought, and I will, again, have a link to these down in the description below. And then after we go through this package here, I'll show you how I install it and what I'm going to use it on. So the package that I bought, again, is a Twinkle Star brand, Twinkle Star Quick Connect Disconnect off of Amazon. And while these look like brass, they are in fact aluminum. And let's see if I can show you there. So on this one here, I actually used a pair of pliers just to install it or uninstall on whatever I had it in. And you can see that painted surface right there just came off a little bit. So these are not brass, these are aluminum, but nonetheless, they still work well. So what you get in this package, I picked up the 4-pack. You get the male coupler as well as the female coupler, which has the actual quick connect release on it. Also in the package, you get a 4-pack of these rubber grommets, or these I can't speak today. You get a 4-pack of these rubber seals or gaskets for the quick connects or for your hoses. Now, taking a look at these couplers, they all come with O-rings inside to seal up really well, and of course just a simple pullback disconnect style. And then the male end, of course, is 3/4 inch threaded, and your male end coupler there. And then it also comes with this knurled collar on it to help you install and tighten down. All right, so a lot of you guys saw my video on adding the quick disconnects to my pressure washer setup. You know, here I have, I think these are PLG brand quick connect disconnects that I have on my high pressure hose. And as I mentioned before, I also have a Twinkle brand quick connect swivel collar on my pressure gun. These guys have held up really well. I really enjoy it. It makes pressure washing a lot easier and it makes cleanup a lot quicker. Now, to make the job even quicker and easier, I'm going to show you guys how to install, quite simply, these quick connect disconnects on the pressure washer itself. And then we'll also take a look at how you can install the quick connects on your garden hose spray nozzle, as well as just a standard yard sprinkler. To install the quick connect disconnect on the front side of my pressure washer, I'm going to leave this adapter on. I'm going to take the male connector that comes in the kit, and I'm just going to thread that right onto the adapter. Then you're going to take your end of your garden hose, thread the female coupler on, just like that. Make sure it's tight, and then quite simply pull back on that release collar and connect it. And now you're ready to go. And the same application applies to your garden sprayer. You're just going to want to take the male end of the coupler and make sure before you install these, make sure you have these little rubber O-rings installed in your sprayer, in your sprinkler, etc. That's what these O-rings are for, that come with the packaging. So quite simply, you just take your quick connect disconnect, male end of the coupling, screw that onto your spray nozzle, and if you wanted to also take your quick connect, screw that right on to your sprinkler. Alright guys, so there you go. I appreciate all the comments on the previous video asking about these quick connect disconnects for your garden hose. And if you haven't seen that video, the video where I put the quick connects on my pressure washer and pressure washer accessories, I'll leave a link to that video down in the description below if you want to check it out after this video. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this short video. I hope it has been helpful to you to show you how and which quick connect disconnects I use on my garden hose. And if it has been helpful to you, let me know. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you hadn't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot of other content on the channel that I think you guys may find helpful. As always, I appreciate you stopping by the channel. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.